Bharat Earth Movers Limited is recruiting for 119 junior executive positions on a fixed-term basis. The application deadline is September 26, 2025. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the junior executive positions, candidates must meet the following criteria. Age limit. The upper age limit is 29 years, with age relaxations available for reserved categories as per government rules. Educational qualifications. Junior executive, mechanical, electrical, metallurgy, IT, must have a full-time first-class degree with an aggregate of 60% marks in the relevant engineering discipline from a recognized university or institution. For the IT post, a first-class Master of Computer Application (MCA) degree is also accepted. Junior executive finance must have passed CA Inter, CMA Inter, or have a 2-year full-time first-class MBA in finance from a recognized institution. Junior executive Rajbhasha requires a 2-year full-time first-class postgraduate degree in Master of Arts MA in Hindi or English, with the other language as a compulsory subject or medium of examination at the graduation level. Proficiency in Hindi typing with computer skills is also essential. Experience. The recruitment is for freshers or candidates with 1 to 2 years of relevant experience. Application and selection process. The application process is done online through the official BEML website. Applicants must upload the necessary documents, including 10th standard marks card, relevant degree certificate, all semester per year wise marks cards, ID proof and caste, category certificate, if applicable. A non-refundable application fee of 500 rupees is required for general OBC EWS candidates. SC, ST, PWD candidates are exempt from the fee. The selection process generally involves the following stages. Shortlisting. Candidates are shortlisted based on their online applications. Written test. Shortlisted candidates will take a computer-based written test. The test will cover domain knowledge, mechanical, electrical, etc., reasoning ability, and English ability. The passing mark is 60%, with a 5% relaxation for SC, ST, PWD candidates. Interview assessment. Candidates who qualify the written test will be called for a personal interview. Document verification and medical examination. Provisionally selected candidates must undergo document verification and a pre-employment medical examination. Salary and benefits. The salary for junior executives is a consolidated pay that increases annually on a fixed-term basis. First year, 35,000 rupees per month. Second year, 37,000 rupees per month. Third year, 40,000 rupees per month. Fourth year, 43,000 rupees per month. In addition to the salary, employees may be eligible for other benefits as per company rules, which can include HRA, medical treatment, reimbursement, and provident fund contributions.